Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to make $10 over and over and over again simply for clicking on images. So there's a website out there, it's a free to use website that you can use, and these guys are paying out via PayPal, so directly to your PayPal, then you can just buy whatever you want with it. So before I'm going to actually show you the website, please subscribe to this channel for videos on making money online, working from home, online business, side hustles, etc. And like this video, this really helps me out. So let me share my screen, let's jump into it. The website I'm going to talk about in this video is usabilityhub.com. okay, so how this works is, this is a website where companies go to if they need testers for their website or their store, and you're gonna be this tester. You're essentially gonna be clicking on images and giving feedback to these companies. Okay, so as you can see, it says design confidently. Usability Hub is a remote user research platform that takes the guesswork out of design decisions by validating them by real users. So you are that real user. So as you can see, they are working with Amazon, with Google, with TaskRabbit, with GoDaddy, with all of these different big companies. And as you can see, they have first click tests, design surveys, preference tests, and 5-second tests. Okay, so you're going to be testing all of this, and again, they are actually paying out via PayPal, and you can make $10 over and over and over again. So all you have to do once on usabilityhub.com is just click right here where it says become a tester. This will open up this other page. As you can see, it says earn money giving design feedback, participate in quick design surveys, help make products better, and get paid doing it. So all you have to do is just click right here, become a tester now. This will open up a form. You just have to send them your email and your name, etc. But as you can see right here, it says quick and easy to do. You don't need to be a usability expert to participate. In fact, most test creators prefer ordinary people over professional designers and developers. Now here where it gets exciting, earn credits with every response, get paid for each response you provide. Once you've accumulated at least 100 credits, you can request a PayPal payout. So 20 cents per credit. You're going to be making 1 to 2 credits per test. These tests take seconds, and payouts with PayPal. So as you can see, you can request a payout when your balance reaches $10. You will need a PayPal account. That obviously you need to be able to receive payments, and you're going to be real-time notified. Okay, so again, all the information is right here. Check it out, and let me show you an example test right now, because guys, this is super easy. You can see I found this page, example test. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different tests. It can be something like, how long does it take customers to find a product on my e-commerce site, how users find a link in my email marketing message, how does a design make you feel, which article headline sounds the most interesting, can users navigate my firewall design, etc. Okay, so let's just click on this first one. How long does it take for a customer to find my product? Let's open this up and let's see. Okay, so as you can see, this is the test. As you can see, it says how long does it take again, and this is for usability testing, user interfaces, and e-commerce. As you can see, we have the example right here on the right. So let's click on take a test and let's see how easy this is. Okay, so as you can see, it says hello there, you've been invited to participate in a short test. Let's click on start, and it says where would you click to add one bunch of bok choy to your shopping cart. Click on the image. Okay, so let's click on the image. So it's bok choy. I think like it's like a salad. Okay, so let's just keep on scrolling down and let's find it. Bok choy. As you can see, you know, this is pretty simple. This is just like a store, and you're just looking for an item. So bok choy. Okay, it's right here. We click on add, confirm, click. And as you can see, it says, how much do you agree with the following statement? The company's website makes it easy to find the item. You can strongly agree, strongly disagree, or anything in between. I would say somewhat agree, because you know, it did take me about 5 to 10 seconds to actually find it. Okay, so let's click on continue. Thank you. That's the test. We are done. Okay, so as you can see, super easy. We've completed the test in what, 10 seconds. So we can close this right now. We can actually go back right here and check another test. So let's check out this one. Will users notice important elements of my website? So let's open up this again. As you can see, again, this is for a website, for testing a website. Let's click on take a test, and let's start the test right now. And as you can see, it says what is the most prominent element on this page. I would say the image of the lady. So That is popping out for me. Let's click on continue. Was there anything on that page that referred you for sale? I would say no. Thank you, and that's the test. So again, these tests literally take seconds. You're gonna be earning credits. You can turn these credits into PayPal money, $10 over and over and over again. As you can see, you don't need any experience whatsoever to do this. And again, you can do this from anywhere in the world. You can do this from your home. If you have a lunch break, you know, if you're working somewhere, you can do like 10 of these tests in a row and just make some extra money online. Super easy. This works in 2020 and beyond. And again, this is something that you don't really need any experience for. So again, usabilityhub.com, that's the website I have in store for you today. And again, before you go, make sure to subscribe to my Art of Marketing blog channel. I'm always recording videos on making money online, earning money online, working from home, digital business, digital marketing, anything make money online related. So subscribe. Again, like this video. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment, or if you just want to say hi, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.